Happy International Student Day, another amazing day at Hamilton International School where we have over 80 different nationalities coming together to celebrate this wonderful day.
I think today is a great day for everybody to get together, for the kids to see other people, other ways of eating, other ways of dressing, other ways of looking, and just to open their minds. I think it's very important that we do it.
It's nice that everyone gets to learn about different cultures, different countries, and it looks like a smarty box over here. I love that there's so many different kinds of people, so many different kinds of nationalities, and the kids are learning so much and they're having so much fun, and so am I. I'm having so much fun.
Students know more about each other, about their friends' nationality.
It's a very engaging and active day. I think all the children are so excited. It's maybe the first time since a long time when we all parents and students and staff, we can be all together in a fun, amazing day like that.
Fantastic day for all the kids, to see them getting so excited about visiting the different country stalls, really developing that kind of flag recognition that they built up during the World Cup.
It really shows the multiculturalism, all the international students, just to see all the cultures, all the different food, all the different activities.
They can see the colors, they can see the traditional uniforms of every country, they can interact with any other.
The enthusiasm of all the staff and parents is just amazing to see.
Kids will learn so many things about the cultures, what do they eat. Each country is famous about something.
And I think for the children themselves, it's so nice for them to actually understand where the countries are and just learn the flags and understand a little bit about the different people and where they're from.
I travel everywhere.
It's very nice to introduce different countries and their culture, and essentially when we go to all of the booths, we can recognize that we are all the same, although we have differences, but essentially deep down we are the same. So it unites us together.
To share with other cultures, learn about the other people.
I'm very happy that I'm seeing my daughter in the school and having fun and enjoying. It's so exciting!
Success is best when it is shared, and I'm so proud of our whole Hamilton community. The success of today is down to everyone.